What is the Forex market? The Forex market is the trade arena which allows investors to trade foreign currencies throughout the trading day. This market is the largest in the world and has a daily turnover of $3 trillion. The market is active 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The values of the currency changes every moment throughout the day according to supply and demand levels. The Forex market is the most secure medium of investment in the world in comparison to other channels with a risk factor such as stocks, options, bonds, and more. Just as in a regular market where we buy and sell vegetables, and in the stock market we buy and sell stocks, in the Forex market we buy and sell currencies. This is our product. There are more than 100 currency pairs in the world which can be traded. Currency exchange rates are uniform throughout the whole world. If the exchange rate of the euro in relation to the US dollar is 1.5220 in London, it'll be 1.5220 in Congo, New York, Australia, and Hong Kong. The Forex market is largely composed of speculators. Speculators are people like me, or perhaps like you, who buy and sell currencies to profit from the change in the exchange rate of a currency. Only 5% of the transactions are for real purposes of commerce, such as industry, tourism, etc. The remaining 95% are for speculation purposes. This is a zero-sum game. The total gains are equal to the total losses. What affects the Forex market? The Forex market is affected solely by macroeconomic data, not by microeconomic data. What are macroeconomic data? Raising the interest rate in a country, the unemployment rate of a country, and political conflicts within the country. On the other hand, microeconomic data are the balance report of a very large company in the country, a large business deal which a large company is about to execute and or has executed, and more. The microeconomic data does not interest the Forex market and does not affect it. In other words, the Forex market is affected by large-scale and international events. The Forex market is comprised of currencies and commodities. Today, some brokers also allow trading of indices, future contracts, and certain stocks. All the strategies and technical analyses that you will learn here are relevant for currencies as well as for commodities. But before we learn what an exchange rate is and how we buy and sell currencies, let's understand more clearly the advantages of the Forex market based on the characteristics which I've presented so far. There is one very important rule to remember. Until you cash in your goods, there's no way of knowing whether you've gained or lost. Market research and analysis. The two main approaches for analyzing the movements in the Forex market are the fundamental analysis approach and the technical analysis approach. The fundamental analysis focuses on financial and economical theories, as well as political developments to determine the forces of supply and demand. The technical analysis focuses on price levels and trade volumes, and from these data expectations are formed for future levels of the market. Now, the main difference between technical analysts and fundamental analysts is that the fundamental analysts concentrate on causes of movements in the market, whereas technical analysts concentrate on the effects of movements in the market.
Shutterstock Music.